In this example procedure, you will configure your FortiGate unit to allow access to only one approved DNS server. Go to your list of security policies. If you have already configured your FortiGate unit, you will have a security policy that allows access to the Internet. Go to Firewall Objects and select Create New to add an address for the approved DNS server. Select OK. Go back to the security policy list and select Create New to add a policy that allows DNS sessions to access the approved DNS server. Select OK. Select Create New to add a policy to block all DNS sessions to the Internet. Select OK. The order of the security policies is critical because the FortiGate unit examines network traffic and attempts to match its attributes to the security policies you've created, starting at the top of the list and moving to the next policy down if there's no match. When a match is discovered, the traffic is handled as configured in the policy and further checks for policy matches stop. The current security policy sequence will not work because the first policy in the list matches and allows all outgoing traffic. The two security policies you created in this example will never affect traffic because the first policy matches all traffic. Move the first policy to the end of the list. With the three policies in the correct sequence, DNS queries to the approved DNS server are allowed by the first policy, DNS queries to other servers are denied by the second policy, and all other types of traffic are allowed by the third policy. With your computer configured to use the approved DNS server, use your browser to visit a website outside of your local network. Using the allowed DNS, the process works as it should. To test that other DNS servers are blocked, change the network configuration to use a DNS server other than the one we have approved. Attempting to access the same website results in the site failing to open. Note that the website is not blocked, but rather the DNS lookup. Because the lookup fails, the site and all websites are unreachable.